Tagal naman.
Yes.
Yun.
Hello.
Hello! Hello mga sis! Kumusta?
Okay
Hello.
naman.
Mabuti.
Yes,
Enjoy.
and we
Happy
are live.
weekend.
Yes,
Yes,
happy
weekend.
weekend. Yeah, so it's nice sis to see you again. And first of all, sa ating mga viewers ngayon who will be tuning in while we are doing this live, and to all of you who will be watching the replay of this live, magandang umaga from the Philippines and magandang gabi from the US and Canada. And we have one viewer right now. Maraming
Yeah, thank you
salamat
for
for
Thank you for
watching.
watching.
So, if you are new to this live, so we are mompreneurs, we are moms, and at the same time, digital business owners. And we do this live talk entitled The Late Night Talk with Mompreneurs. This is our way of sharing this amazing and life changing business with you. And at the same time, we also hope that out of this show or talk, we are able to give value and inspiration sa lahat sa inyo. So for tonight or this morning, we will be answering the commonly asked questions, the frequently asked questions sa amin about the business. But before we proceed, please allow us to introduce ourselves. So I am Hazel, a mom of two, a wife, and a proud digital business owner and mentor. I am a doctor by profession who turned full-time mom when I moved to the US in 2013. So now I'm here in the Philippines. I'm running my business here, even if I started it in the US. And Sis Dara?
Yes, hello everybody. So my name is Dara. I am also originally from the Philippines but now based here in California, USA. Like Sis Hazel, I'm also a mom of two, a wife. I am a nurse by profession, and of course I'm running my digital business as well. So yeah, this is going to be an exciting night or day. So stay tuned guys. Thank you. Sis Yoli.
Hello, everyone. So it's my back-to-back live. So I have live also yesterday. So yeah, I'm
Wow.
so
Nice.
proud kasi talaga with this business. So again, my name is Yolanda from Bicol Province. And I'm here residing now in America with my family. I am a healthcare worker by profession, a mom of my three beautiful teenagers, and I have said I am a very proud digital business owner and a mentor. Sis Iza.
Yes, hello everyone. Thank you guys for tuning in to our live today. This is going to be exciting and masasagot na namin yung mga tanong nyo in one sitting, right? So,
Yeah.
yes, so I am Reina Riza. I am from Canada. I'm from the Philippines as well, katulad din nila. I'm also a mom. I work in the finance in one of the biggest charitable institution here in Canada. And I'm also running my own digital business. So, stay tuned and watch. I hope that you'll be able to watch the whole show para maintindihan niyo kung paano ba yung business namin or kung ano ba yung mga frequently asked questions na mga taong nag inquire, right? Kasi baka isa
Yeah.
kayo sa mga yon and your questions will be asked. I will be answered here. So, yes, Sis Hazel?
Yeah. So thank you mga sis. And right now we have three viewers. Maraming salamat
Hello.
for watching.
For
Yes.
watching.
Yeah. So we are so what do you call this? Excited na yung gabi, as we've said, dahil we will be able to answer all your questions na uh, most of the time tinatanong sa amin. So we go straight to that. To our
Yes.
first frequently asked question is this business legit? Anong masasabi mo dyan, sis
Oh,
Yoli?
yeah, I can answer that. So yes, that's the most, question I receive from my leads talaga, from my friends and family who's like curious in this business. So, my reputation is very important to me. So, my family, my friends, everyone, my followers are, seeing me in social media about discussing this digital business. So I would say this business is 100% legitimate. So, ito kinuha ko nga eh. So, we pay tax. We are tax registered. Our business is tax registered. And our business run for so long already. So, it's been running in the market for 50 years. Where in fact, we celebrated our 50th anniversary in Okinawa, Japan 2 months ago. And it's all over in my platform. I'm so grateful I able to attend that, and almost 8,000 people attended the convention. So, yes, this is legitimate. We are affiliate marketing. We leverage the lifestyle that we have in this business. So, yeah, if you are curious if this is a scam, if this is not real, this is 100% legitimate. So check this out for yourself, know the business, and see for yourself. Because we are here, we are so proud that we are running a legit business.
Yeah.
So
Mhm.
anyone
No,
who
if
can
I
add?
may add, if I
Yeah,
may
go.
add, is I also want to say that we are in more than 20 countries all over the world. I think 23, right? And then we have 45 offices around the world. And those offices, those are also registered. So it's really a big indication, no, or proof na this business is legit. And we are not going to show, sabi nga ni Sis Yolanda, no, like sa akin, doktor ako. Diyos ko, nakakahiya naman. Isang doktor ay scammer pala. So, ayan, hindi natin ilagay sa risk yung reputation natin. We will not be showing yung mga faces natin, yung mga anak natin sa ating pages kung itong business ay hindi legit. Yeah,
Sis,
Yes.
yan lang.
Right.
may add lang ako. Kasi our goal here, having this kind of business, is not only to help our family. So our goal is to help other people as well. You know, those people who are looking for an income opportunity
Yeah,
online.
yes,
Kaya we are sharing this. Diba? Share natin ang
Mhm.
great opportunity. So,
yeah,
yeah.
Mhm.
Sino
yes.
pa gustong mag-add, sis, sa
Yeah,
inyo?
more.
Yeah, so I agree with Sis Hazel and yeah, Sis Yolanda. This is 100% legit. Hindi po namin, we are professionals here. Healthcare industries, makikita nyo dito sa business na to, lawyers, doctors, nurses, coming from corporate world, lahat ng mga tao dito. But in people from different walks of life, right? We are here for this business because we want you also to, you know, what we are experiencing right now is we want to share it to you. So this business, tulad sinabi ni si Hazel, hindi po namin ipopost ang mga mukha namin at mga mukha ng mga anak namin dito kung hindi legit yung business namin, 'di ba? Hindi namin siya i-risk. Kumbaga, kasi ang postings namin is public, right? It's all
Yeah,
public. Makikita
yeah.
niyo siya talaga all over social media. So, hindi po namin gagawin yun kung hindi talaga namin alam ang papasukin namin kung hindi siya legitimate. So, ayun. Sis Isa, what can you say?
I agree to all of you guys kasi nga this is really legit kasi nga we are doing this business and we are like syempre we are showing ourselves, our lifestyle, our story, 'di ba? And also yun nga sabi nga ni Sis Yoli, we are not doing this business for ourselves alone. We are also doing this because we want to share this to other people and we want them to know that we have this option that they can do online. So, most likely, madami kasi ngayon na madaming online, kung ano-anong online. So, we cannot also blame them if they are gonna ask if this legit because first of all, yun talaga yung una nilang titingnan kung totoo ba to. But we are guaranteeing you 1,000% that this is real. We are real. We are real people. We are real people who have different backgrounds who are doing this business. So, yeah, that's for me.
Yung ika nga sis, simple mathematics lang yan eh. Kasi if this business is not legit, it will not stay in the market for 50 years, di ba?
Yes, yes,
It will
exactly.
not operate for 50 years kung this is illegitimate. Siguro
Mhm.
isang taon pa lang
Wala
wala na
na.
siya, di
Oo.
ba?
Close.
Okay. So sis, before we proceed to the next, our look at that.
Oh my.
Who's
Hi,
watching?
Sis Bam.
Thank you, Sis Bambi.
Thank you for
The
watching.
proud business partners of these wonderful women, global mentors of tomorrow. Grateful to be your business partner. Spread how this business have changed lives to thousands of people worldwide. Watching from
Yes,
Sweden.
Thank you
hi.
for watching, Sisi.
Thank you for
Good morning po sa
watching.
Hi,
kanila,
sis.
ya.
Bam. Thank you.
Thank you.
And Sis Janet.
Ate Janet.
I
Hi,
am
Ate.
Engineering.
Journey.
Thank you, sis.
Thank
From New
you.
Jersey. Okay, so next question. Ito din, parating tinatanong ito. Is there
Okay.
money involved?
Sige, ako na yan. Kasi medyo ano siya din medyo related din siya dun sa pagiging legit. So, is there money involved? Of course, there is, di ba? In any legitimate business, there is money involved. Kung walang money involved, baka yun yung scam. Right? Kasi paano ka magkakaroon ng isang business kung wala kang investment or money that you're gonna involve in this business. So aside from the money, syempre your time, your effort, your heart, this business is really para siyang you're having a franchise owned na online siya, 'di ba? So kung para ka meron kang franchise na kunwari bubble tea, 'di ba? So para ka magkaroon ng isang bubble tea franchise, you have to start with your investment, with your money, with your startup cost. But in this business, we are sharing you what we have is the system that is being done online para hindi na kayo mag-start from scratch. So the money involved here will depend on you kung paano yung business, kung kung paano mo siya sisimulan. It's up to you how you will it's up to you to decide how you're gonna start your business. That's why we have the workshop, and then after that we have a strategy call para makapag-desisyon ka kung saan ka mag-i-start. So there's so many steps here. That's why we have a webinar na gusto namin i-share sa inyo para mapanood nyo yung concept of this business. So yes, is there a money involved? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, any more additional information, guys?
Sis, simple mathematics din yan. Kahit
Oh,
na magtitinda ka lang ng banana queue sa road or along the outside the school or somewhere, kahit 50 pesos, may investment din yon. So, it's like
oo,
this is a
yeah,
business. Meron
yes,
talaga investment.
Kaya
Kaya
pag sinabi,
nakakatuwa kung minsan na magtatanong na, is there money involved? Of course. Kasi business nga siya.
kung
Oo.
magtitinda ka nga ng halo-halo, when I was in grade 5, grade 6, nagtitinda ako ng halo-halo during the summer. And meron akong 100 pesos na puhunan. So, there's some money involved, right? Kasi it's a business. So,
Yep.
yeah. Yep.
Yeah. In
Yeah.
any legitimate businesses po, meron po talaga tayong involved na money. So sabi nga ni Sis Isa, kung walang money involved, yun po siguro yung scam. Di ba?
Yeah, kasi paano ka kikita kung wala kasi maybe some other people are saying, oh, dito walang puhunan. Paano ka magkakaroon ng kung walang puhunan, 'di ba? But anyway, what we are just saying is this is legit because in any legitimate business there will always be an investment. Okay?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Right,
so
right.
I may add up, sis. The good part in this business, it's affordable compared to, let's say, you're gonna have an affiliate. Kasi we are
It's a
so
high
proud.
ticket. Yes, this is a high ticket business.
Yes.
Mhm.
Very high ticket business. Kaya talagang we are proud to share this to everyone. So let's say you wanna franchise yung McDonald's, mga Jollibee, it costs you thousands talaga. It will cost you thousands. So napakamahal. So samantalang ito high ticket kung ano yung income or yung alam mo yon yung return ng investment like Jollibee and McDonald's, we can get it here too. The difference is yung ating investment is much lower than those franchise businesses that I mentioned. So it's like a fraction lang siya ng amount ng mga big company. So yeah, ang
Yeah.
ganda. So
Mhm.
yeah, everyone I think can afford this. Basta lang talaga meron kang way, kung meron kang way na paraan to have these resources, magagawan. Kasi, di ba sis, yung ating company, we really help people. So, we are
Mhm.
into people na something na wala. So, we able to help them. We just have a lot of choices. They just have to learn and go to the business first para maintindihan nila ang lahat ng ating mga opportunity na sinishare.
Mhm. Mhm.
Mm.
That's right, sis. And gusto ko rin, sis, i-share, kasi you're talking about the traditional one, like McDo, like that. But before, sis, I interviewed a fellow business owner here na she tried also online business, yung sa Amazon, like that. Yeah. So, isa din yung mga pinaka-trending ngayon, or people, kasi online na tayong lahat. So, some start their businesses with Amazon. Pero with that, ikaw talaga yung gagawa ng lahat eh. Unlike dito sa atin na we don't start from scratch. So, ikaw yung
Set up na.
mag-research ng product mo, magse-set up, magti-training ka paano ano ng funnel mo, ng
Tapos yung
website
marketing.
mo, yung marketing side, and then where are you gonna order your products, like from China, and then i-ano yan, ano tawag dito?
Ship.
Ita-transport,
Sure.
ship, yeah.
Tapos mag-inventory ka pa.
Yeah, may inventory. Eh, sabi nga niya, yung bahay niya, isang room, lahat na ng products niya nandoon. So, really, napakahirap, and it will cost you really thousands. At
Mhm.
least 20 in dollars, right? 20,000 in dollars at least. Oo. So, yun sinasabi ni Sis Yoli na at we don't start from scratch here kasi lahat ay nasa system na pinoprovide na. So
Yep.
yun.
Yeah, so
Linaw.
we don't do the inventory, we don't do shipping kasi part na siya ng system natin.
Yes,
So,
that's
yeah.
right, Sis.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
with the marketing, walang problem kasi meron tayong training para doon.
yeah.
Mhm. I wanna go
Okay,
ahead.
okay. Go ahead, Sis. Go ahead.
No, I wanna add up lang just to have clarification regarding this money involved. So, lagi po namin sinasabi na meron kaming free webinar, right? You heard it, I think a lot of times already na meron kaming free webinar. Yes po, ang webinar namin is free. But then after that, watching our free webinar para maintindihan nyo po kung ano yung picture ng business, we have a one-time registration fee which is refundable for 30 days. And then after that, after you watching, you receive all the more detailed information, and then you get to decide if this business is for you or not,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And then doon na po papasok ang involvement ng money natin, which is the investment. So,
Yeah.
ayun, just to clarify lang.
Yeah. Thank you, Ms. Sarah, for clarifying. Yeah.
Yeah, lagi kasi naririnig, ay, free naman yung webinar, tas biglang may money pala na involved. Just to have clarification regarding
Yeah.
that. So,
Yeah.
Thank
ayun.
you. Thank you so much,
So,
Sis.
to add up on that, sis, yung involved dyan sa, di ba, sa webinar na yan, na one-time sign-in fee, if you go to the business, that one will gonna go to your funnel. Magkano ba yung funnel kung gagawin mo by yourself? It will be more than, again, baka 1,000
Mhm.
din. So, di ba, lahat talaga merong designated amount. Kaya lahat ng ilalabas mo, mapupunta rin lahat sa business mo.
Business mo.
So, yun lang. Oo.
Okay. So thank you so much, Sis, for that clarification. And next, do we need to be tech savvy?
We're not sabi.
Uh, Yan yung mga questions na always asked of us kasi, oh, I'm not good at computer, kahit copy-paste, hindi ko alam. Paano yan? Wala akong computer, paano yan? High school graduate lang ako, paano yan? So really, we do say that you don't need to be tech savvy here kasi meron tayong step-by-step training na very user-friendly. Ibig sabihin, na it's easily understood at saka video-based siya.
Yeah.
And parang wino-walk ka sa sa training kasi step by step siya. And then what is good is anytime ma-access mo siya sa computer mo. So it's everything is there sa computer mo sa site na 'yon. So you can do it anytime at kung depende sa iyo because in this business you make your own schedule, you work around your schedule. So ikaw nang bahala. Like for us, I'm sure sa inyo din sis, I spend just 2 to 3 hours a day. Hindi pa yon straight na 2 to 3 hours a day. It's staggered. And anytime na may time ako, like kung gabi, natulog na yung mga bata, or early morning, or waiting sa school drop-off while in the car, for school pick-up while in the car, yun yung mga time na ginagawa ko. So, really, you don't need to be tech-savvy here. Meron tayong mga business partner dito na high school graduate lang ngayon, very successful in the business. Meron tayong mga drop out, even drop out, pero successful din sa business. So, ang business na to was, tawag dito, was build, or not build, but fashioned, yung term ba, fashion for ordinary people.
Yes, yeah.
Kahit na ordinary or everyday people ay makakaran ng business na ito. So,
Yeah,
yun.
that's true. And also we also I also wanna share na may mga like people who are like really na like in their 60s, 70s, I believe merong 70s
Oh,
na
yeah.
Yes,
who are
7.
doing this
Uh-huh.
business. So, syempre
Yeah.
on our mind pag at that age minsan hindi na sila magaling sa computer, 'di ba? Pero nagagawa nila, right? So if they can do it, so can you. Yung computer skills, it's a skills, it can be learned. So even if hindi mo pa siya alam, you can learn it along the way. So kaya nga sabi ni Sis Hazel, this business is set up for people like us, ordinary people, na so that people can also have this option na pwede nilang gawin that also can help them in their in their life na makapagkaroon ng extra and everything. So yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Ang
The term
magaling
is tailored. Tailored siya sis.
Ayun,
Tailored.
tailored. I think that's
Tailored.
the term.
Ang maganda sis, you're not doing this business alone, di ba? Meron tayong mentor, na
My
meron
coach.
tayong coach, at saka mga support community na 24 hours pwede nating kontakin kasi we are global. So, yeah, so hindi talaga nag-iisa. You always have a support system. Sa kahit ano, pag-build mo ng business mo, yung funnel mo, everything. So, yeah, you can reach
Yes.
out to us anytime, diba?
So, and also, the good thing about this business kasi, when you decide na you want to start yung business, like nag-invest ka na into this business and you have your trainings unlocked, your trainings will be there forever. Sa'yo na yon. Kahit balikan mo siya ng million times, nandun na siya sa'yo. Nasa computer mo na siya. You have your email, you have your password. You can go back to it over and over again until you
24/7. Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So, tulad ng mga sinabi ni Sis Hazel, Sis Iza, and Sis Yoli, yes po, hindi natin kailangan. Meron talaga, may nakausap ako, taga San Francisco, 70 years old na siya, and he's doing this business. 'Di ba? Why
Yeah.
not sa atin na medyo mas bata-bata pa ng konti sa kanya? Siya nga nagagawa niya. Paano pa kaya tayo parang hindi natin magagawa yung business, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
don't have to be tech savvy, but ang maganda lang kasi talaga dito, we have to be coachable nga. Meron tayong mga mentors, meron tayong mga coaches, but we have to be like kung ano yung mga sinasabi natin na alam natin na makakatulong in our business. We can take that, 'di ba? Yung mga informations from them, and then i-apply natin siya sa business natin. And this is lagi ko din sinasabi pag may nag-i-inquire sa business, yes, we run our business individually, but we are here as one, as a team, right? We help and support each other as a family. So we're family here. We're not doing it alone. So
Yan ang kagandahan ng business na to sis kasi we are helping each other kahit na newbie ka, you don't feel alone. So, nandito kami to help you, parang ganon. And I remember sis, yung na-interview ko din, yung sinabi ko kanina na she started an Amazon business, but it didn't work well for her. So she looked for other ways, kaya nakita niya itong business natin. Before doing the Amazon business, she purchased a training for how many thousands of dollars. And then the training was sent to her and she's by herself. Oh, she's by herself after she purchased the training. So in our case, hindi ganun eh. We are forever together in this business na kahit sino from around the world can help us. So yun yung kagandahan ng ating business. Oo.
Yes.
Sis, meron tayong ano dito.
Comment.
Comments, yeah. Hello
Hi.
everyone watching from Canada.
From
Thank you.
Watching.
And one of the Tres Marias.
Hi, sis.
Thank you. Thank you, sis. Okay, so
Next
next
question.
is
Meron pa ba
ikaw.
tayong question? Ayun.
Yeah, meron pa.
So,
Sis Dara, ano ba?
yeah,
Guaranteed
so
ba yung
eto na.
income?
I think this is also one of the most common questions na kikita ba ako dyan? Diba?
Ultimate goal yan eh. Kapag mag-business, sis, di ba? Yan yung ultimate
Kasi
goal.
talaga, yun naman talaga, we can't blame anyone. And ako din naman talaga, when I start, even din siguro kayo, when you started this business, yun na yung ano nyo agad, kikita kaya ako dyan kung mag-business ako, di ba? So in this business po, like any legitimate businesses, we can't promise overnight success. We have to work hard. We have to work for our business and with our business, di ba? But this business, since this is a high-ticket business, this has a huge potentials. Right? We've seen a lot of results in this business from 0 to millions. Nakita namin talaga yan. That's why we're doing this. Kahit may mga trabaho kami, kahit may mga other pa kami na mga resources, ginagawa namin yung business namin kasi nakikita namin yung sarili namin na one day, our fruit of labor, makukuha namin yung success na gusto namin talaga. 'Di ba? So we can promise overnight success, because we have to work hard for it, but this, yes, has huge potentials. So, ayun.
And I think, sis, sige sis, go ahead.
Oh, sorry. Gusto ko lang mag-add dun sa sinabi ni Sis Dara na huge potential kasi in any business talaga, kasi when you have a business, there's no ceiling. 'Di ba? Kapag meron kang when you are in your job, meron kang trabaho, may cut 'yan eh, yung salary mo, 'di ba? This is
Per
your
hour.
salary
Yep,
regardless kung ano man yung gagawin mo 7 hours, 8 hours a day, ito yung sahod mo. But when you have a business, it can go up. It can go down the next month, it can go up the next month. So ganun siya. So if you are asking kung kikita ka, it's up to you. You have to also question yourself, kaya ko bang kumita dito? Kasi kung kikita ka, it's not a question eh. Kikita ka talaga, pero it's a question of how are you gonna be able to do it? Kasi nga, in every business, you really have to put your effort, you have to put your time in it, right? So, yes. Yeah, go ahead.
You have to do the work. Hindi pwedeng, establish ko na, okay na ako dito. Yep. Like any naman, kaya tayo kumikita din sa mga trabaho natin, is sa mga jobs natin, because nagwo-work tayo for it. Like in this business also, we have to work for our business para magkaroon tayo ng results and income. Right?
That's right. Kaya sis, ako sis personally, kapag may mga leads tayo or what, I would really tell them na I really encourage you to move to the next step, yung second step na wherein there is a fee but it is guaranteed for a full refund within 30 days. Why? Kasi doon nila makikita yung mga results, yung mga income, yung mga amazing results, how life-changing this business is kapag naging part na sila ng ating community. Kasi lahat-lahat doon. So doon nila makikita kung paano nagbago ang buhay ng maraming tao around the world because of this business. Yun si. So the income is guaranteed. But the variable is you. Yeah.
So
Yes, Sis
itong
Yoli.
business natin, sis, it's a long-term goal, 'di ba? Hindi lang ito pang short term eh. Kasi it's, ayan, na-mention ko na naman yung mindset. Pero talaga, 'di ba? Kung ipo-focus mo lang ang mind mo dito sa business, kasi it's a proven already and tested na nangyayari na nga, na-mention na nangyayari na sa iba talaga na very super super successful. Bakit hindi mangyayari sa atin or sa inyo? It's just a matter yung effort, yung dedication na ilalaan mo sa business kasi andyan na eh, andyan na yung system eh. It's working already. So nasa sayo na lang if you were gonna appreciate or grab the opportunity and apply to yourself tsaka sa family mo. So napakagandang potential talaga.
Mhm.
Yes.
Ano
Yeah.
pa sis? May add pa ba kayo sis?
And our business also, it's not about money talaga. It's about transforming our lives. So ngayon, kita nyo kami, dati hindi naman kami nagla-live. But now, because of this business, nagkaroon na kami ng self-confidence.
Yes, yeah. Totoo yan. Totoo yan. I totally agree.
Ang
Yeah.
daming gains talaga dito. Sobrang
So,
dami, sobrang
yeah.
dami. Hindi namin din alam, like, how many years na, hindi ko din alam kung ano talaga kung nasaan ako dati. Ngayon, nakita ko talaga yung picture ng sarili ko from day one until ngayon na ginagawa ko na siya. Sobrang daming nag-transform talaga sa akin. Yeah.
And also aside from the monetary nga, we have yung personal development, character
Mhm.
development, and also we will be able to meet amazing people. Like ako, I'm so grateful that I met you guys here in this business and also other business partners na you'll also be surrounded with amazing people who have the same passion, the same goals in life na matututunan mo talaga and magde-develop sa character mo to become a better person, di ba? So,
Yep.
yes.
Amen.
Dito,
Yeah.
dito sis, you don't need to be perfect. Kasi 'di ba ang iba, social media baka people will gonna judge me kung may mga mistakes. Alam mo
Oo.
'yon, yung mga sinasabi mo.
Mm.
Alam mo 'yon, you don't need to kasi yan yung makaka-stop sa'yo to do this business. Go lang, chill lang. Ang maganda lang is yung goal mo talaga, just go and be consistent sa goal. So, kung may mga pagkakamali, learn from it.
Yep.
So, thank you mga sis. We have another comment here. Oh my God. Look at this girl.
Thank you, Sisi Bambi. Sisi Bambi is
Thank you,
one of
Sisi.
Parang
About
well, we've
guaranteed
helped many clients
income.
achieve income
Okay.
growth. We can't guarantee specific results because we are only variable in this. Yes, business
just
like
like
most
Factors like
successful
your
businesses. Success depends on factors like your effort and how you apply your strategies. What we can promise is that we'll provide you the tools and support to maximize your chances of success.
Wow,
Exactly.
very well said.
may
Yep.
nanalo na pang Miss Universe.
Oh,
Universe. Thank you for that.
Bambi.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's the thing that we can promise you, the success tools that we have and the support
Yeah.
of our community.
The tools, yes, that's true.
yeah. Thank you, Sis Bam. You're a rock star, Sis Bambi. Okay, and
Yes.
I think this is business partner of
Alan,
Sis
hi.
Yoli.
Hey, yeah, we have live yesterday.
Hi, Alan.
Thank you. Thanks
Alan is
for
also one
joining.
of our business partners here. Okay, so I think, sis, we will now wrap up our live. So before we let you go, we would like to invite all of you. Yeah, Sis Yoli or Sis Isa, you want to invite?
So we always have a webinar, live webinar, every Tuesday and Thursday. So 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So yeah, have that time, to watch and know our business because you'll never know. This might be the one for you as well. Sabi nga nila, let your why be stronger than your strongest fear or yung strongest excuses. So learn the business, be into it, and start the life that you want to be in the future. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, just give this a chance as well.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, so you can also watch our webinar. You can also watch our webinar through a replay. If you don't have time, there's a replay available. Basta mag-register lang kayo sa aming website. Our website is available in our business page. And you can also message us to get more details about it on how to register para mapanood nyo yung webinar. So, yes, Sis Hazel?
Yeah, Sis Dara, do you have final words?
Yeah, so watch your webinar and see it for yourself because you'll never know nga, sabi ni Sis Yoli, baka ito na yung hinihintay nyo talaga. Hinihintay nyo na business or na transformation na gusto nyo mangyari sa life nyo. So,
Okay, thank you so much, sis. We have one more comment. You are welcome. Si Alan. Thank you, Alan. You're welcome,
Thanks
guys.
for
Thank you
watching.
so much.
Thanks for watching.
So I think that's it for our talk tonight, this morning. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood, and yeah, nothing changes if we don't make any change. So yeah, just drop your excuses, and nandito kami para tulungan kayo as you explore this opportunity kung ito ay para sa inyo or hindi. So maraming salamat. Until
Thank you,
next
guys.
time.
Thank you
Bye.
guys. Take action. Bye. Thank you.